Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to lock a simple window. Just as you can see here, I can open it. All you will need is a simple paper clip shaped like this. Now you will have to shape it yourself, just like that. And you will need a simple antenna with a 90 degrees, like that. Then what you do is you get both of your things, and first you put this in. You will feel a gentle push somewhere. Then what you will do is get this, your thing, and you just as you can see here, do the jiggle. And there you go. And now it is locked. As you can see, now to unlock, you will have to push upwards this time. So you get your paper clip, push it in, push up, then you gently jiggle it around, and there you go. You have unlocked it. Thank you for watching YouTube.